So this cat won't eat Chinese food, but he loves sprouts and kale and all leafy greens. He loves this. Hey Max, do you like eating my salad? So I have these sprouts delivered to me every Tuesday from Don's Finest. I've never seen him go so crazy over food. Hi you!
Alright, I'm just putting music on.
Depeche Mode is good. I like Depeche Mode.
Depeche Mode?
You like Depeche Mode? I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
Tears for Fears is good.
Okay. Alright, I'm just putting music on.
Depeche Mode is good. I like Depeche Mode.
Depeche Mode?
You like Depeche Mode? I'm a big fan.
Yeah.
Tears for Fears is good.
Okay.
Hey Suki. Just looking at all the action. There's a lot of action going on. Look at you. Ooh. Hey Suki. Can you see it? You're so cute. You're so cute. Aww. Most friendly cat. Most friendly cat. Oh, I get the Feldy cuddles. See your face. She cuddles by smushing her head into me. I love you, Feldy. Look at this beautiful face. Ah! Aww. Stretch, stretch. Feldy knows how to be healthy. So healthy dressing. 2 oranges, water, cumin, red pepper, whatever spices honestly you want. Blend it up. Basically tastes like orange juice. Put on a salad with some fruit, like a fruity salad. Bam. Hey, Suki. Just looking at all the action. There's a lot of action going on. Look at you. I'm gonna look at the wall now. Where are you going? What's outside? The cat? Hi, Brody. Hello. I gotta wash my teeth. Hi. Oh. Feld, I heard you don't like to be bothered when you eat. Hi, Feld. Aw, I didn't get a good one. Hi, Feldy. Can I talk to you? See, if you bother me when I'm eating, I'll do the same thing. After water, after walking, what do? You have to hydrate. Feldy knows. But she only drinks out of her goofy mug if we hold it for her. She is Queen Feldy. Hey guys. Hi guys. These are my gym buddies. Here's the gym. Can't see it, the lights are off. And these are the gym greeters, the mascots. Hello. I love you so much. You're so cute. I don't know if Feldy can behave herself though.
She's already.
Yeah.
With her hair and her.
Yeah. She's cute. Feldy's not socialized. Hey. This is a great angle for you. Look at that little mustache. Come here, you. You know good people. Yeah, you know. He knows what's up. Hey, LeBron. We got LeBron here. Not interested. Totally not interested. Oh well. Hi! Hi! So cute. You're the cutest cat of the day. You know why?
Anything you can dangle.
Oh, no, he's going crazy. Hello, cat. Okay, we gotta go. Feldy, I'm coming over. There we go. Hey. Hello. I will follow you forever. Feldy does not like to be on camera. As soon as the camera comes out, she's like, nope. Nope, she runs away. I had the cutest video set up. Oh, here she's staying. She knows I'm leaving. Hey, Baker. What you looking at? You had enough tackling me? Hey, you. Hey. Come here. Come here, you. Got like the Fast and the Furious going on. And we got Baker. Baker. Whoa, hi. Uh-oh, I'm getting tackled by Baker. Hi. He's right on top of me right now. Oh, hello, hello, hello. So cute. You're so cute. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Ah! I love this dog. He's following me around. I know, I hate going. She knows I'm gonna go. We love you, Feldy. We'll see you soon, okay? Alright. Bye, Feld. Ah, we need one more kiss.
And I look too good to be loving you. You know I look way too good to be stuck with you. I'm conceited, I got a reason. See, I look too good to be getting with. And I look too good.
Bye, Feld.
I would have felt terrible.
Hi, beautiful.
Meanwhile, if she comes out to talk to me,
She's my most favorite girl. Feldy's just chilling. Just like, you know what? You guys are talking too much. So I'm gonna take a plop down. I'm gonna relax. So nice to be outside, right? Ooh. Cat on a leash. This cat just hangs outside. Hi.
Otherwise, I'd never
Wow, look at this. It's like a witch cat. I feel like I'm in a witch house right now. So cute. Meow. Hello, cat. Guys, under my car. Now we got the other cat. Just chilling in the middle of the sidewalk. So cute. And now it's time to give my mom's cat back to her. Oh, so cute. It's like a little Black Panther. So I come home. There's these cats right next to me. There's another cat 3 houses down, or 4 houses down. There's a cat that's staying with me. It's like cat day over here. Hi. Coming home to cats everywhere. They're so cute, though. Personal training done. Workout class done. 2-hour health counseling done. Max. Max. Hi. Now I got this view. He's so cute. Look at this. I had one more day with this guy. So cute. This is how I wake up when I watch Max. I guess he drank. Give you a massage? Oh, he likes that. Ooh. I have a man in my bed today. He's very hairy. Usually like a little less hair, but it's okay. Hey, Max. I'm giving my stomach a massage. This is good. My abs are really sore. Oh, so cute. I love other people's pets. I can't film him because he likes to knock the phone out of my hand. See that? Hey. Hello, I'm Max the cat, reporting live from Jen's bed. I just wanted to wish you all a great day, and I can't look you in the eye because I am ashamed of spending the night with Jen in her bed. Hi, I'm Max the cat. I'm a great guest. I don't talk when Jen needs to get stuff done. I'm so cute. I'm really not shedding anywhere. He doesn't like when I have the phone in my hand. He likes to knock it out. So me and my dad just came up with an idea. Instead of friends with stupid people, it's gonna be great. Feldy doesn't like to be on camera. Hey, Max. We have a staring contest. He's my temporary cat. My temporary roommate, the way all roommates should be. You have fun, and then they get the fuck out. Feldy's gonna be in my new segments. New little TV show called Friends with Stupid People. So instead of friends, it's gonna be friends with stupid people. And it's gonna be all these stupid people that we all gotta deal with on a daily basis, doing stupid things.
.com.
So me and my dad just came up with an idea. Instead of friends with stupid people, it's gonna be great. Feldy doesn't like to be on camera. Hey, Felds, can I have a cuddle? Right here? Can I have a cuddle right here? One cuddle before I go, please? Oh, I love you so much. Oh, look at this girl. Hey, cat. I gotta go. You gotta get out under my car. This cat is always hanging out under my car, around my car, on my car. It's jumped on my hood. Hey, you gotta go. We gotta go. Come here. Hey, Felds. Can I have a cuddle? Right here? Can I have a cuddle right here? One cuddle before I go, please? Oh, I love you so much. Oh, look at this girl. Good morning, Feldy. Are you ready to train? Today's personal training day. So this is my training mascot. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down so I can give you lots of kisses. I love you so much. Woo! I hate to see you go, but I love to watch you leave. I gotta go, Felds. She keeps trying to get me to get to her belly rubs. Alright, we'll do one more. Hey, you're so beautiful. Oh, she sees me coming towards her. She knows it's belly rub time. Okay, we'll give you a belly rub. Look at your face. Hey, Feld, take a seat. She's been walking so hard, so she's got to just plop down and take a seat. I love this face so much. Oh, I could look at her all day. This is my granddaughter. All the fun, none of the work.
Oh well.
Oh well. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
I love you, Feldy.
So much love today with the smelliest and hairiest girl I know. You love your smelly self. You got this one? No, Feldy's not too jealous. She'd be running over here. She's secure. She's like, it's alright. You just pet another dog. No big deal. Hey, you're being secure today, not being jealous. How you doing, Felds? Aww. Was it anyone who loves you? Anyone who loves me is adorable. That's what my mom just said. Yeah, anyone who laughs at my jokes is good for me. So, same thing.
Yeah. Oh, you're kissing me.
Oh, watch out. This dog likes to lick.
Yes. You're a very good bird. Hello.
This bird, I don't think has ever been on anyone's hands.
Hello. And you're talking. Hello.
Life of a dog. It's the best. I just want to do this all day. Like 2 days a week. Who's there, Felds? You get all the attention.
Come over here, you.
You know you're the queen bee here, right?
Come over here.
Feldy. Yes. Ah. We love you. We love you, Felds. Look at this girl. Oh. Oh. Feldy gets a massage. You have so many fans, Feld, right?
Feels so
We
good.
love you.
Oh, that feels so good.
I want to be this dog. Whoa.
Yes. You're a very good bird. Hello.
This bird, I don't think has ever been on anyone's hands.
Hello. And you're talking. Hello. Yeah. Come on. You got a lot to say. You're so cute. That bird is really cute.
It's hard to get him. He's so close. Oh, I love getting cuddles from Jen. Now I'm gonna bite her arm. Oh. Belly rub? You want a belly rub? You are the worst model ever, but you're so amazing. Ah. I gotta chase you around. Alright, let's do belly rub. Who's the cutest girl in the world? Oh, I get a cuddle. She's cuddling with my armpit. Let's see your face. Your face is so awesome. Ah. Nope. Nope. She's not gonna sign a release. Hey, Max. Good morning. Let's see. He's touching my face. Max. Let's see your paws. Let's see your really cute paws. Up close and personal with Max. I don't think he's gonna come out, but... Hi! Look at me, see your handsome face. It's so loud. You're gonna be okay. It's gonna be quiet soon. Okay, we'll put you back in the drawer. I think this is so funny. Cat in a drawer. This is what happens when everything's too loud. I want to hide in a drawer sometimes too. I don't blame you. It's so loud that Max crawled into my drawer to get away from the sound. Hey you. It's gonna be quiet soon. Okay, sorry, okay. Hi. Can I come into the drawer with you? Maybe? Are you gonna come out soon? Okay. Ooh, what do we have here? The workers... Don't hiss at me, you love me. It's just me. It's not allowed loud sounds. You can come out soon. The workers thought they lost the cat, but he was hiding him. Smelled. Cutest girl. That. We just took Feldy for a walk.
If you fall in love with a dog training video.
Maybe you can fix my computer.
What's that?
It's hot, right, Felds? You get a drink out of your goofy mug? You love your goofy mug. Aw. She's so pretty. How do you like our morning music, Max? Aw, I love you. It's so loud in here. Too many workers. Let's go. Max, I'm gonna give you your own safe place. It's too loud up here. It's too loud. What are we gonna do? He won't even go downstairs. He's afraid. I feel so bad. I'm watching this cat, but now I'm having my floors redone, so it's so loud. And he's scared of everything. Hey Max, you'll be okay. Oh my god. This is so loud. You're gonna have your own piece, okay? There you go. This cat loves leafy greens, doesn't like junk food. Such a clean eater. Hey Max. Ay. Here, you can have your own piece. Ow! 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 Here. Hey Max. Are you watching me? Blow drying my hair for tonight, and I see him just staring. Whenever I get ready, he's always around. Got a little audience. I love watching this. This is funny. Is he discovering mirrors? I don't think my mom's house has this many mirrors. What do you think of yourself? You like looking at yourself in the mirror? Cat on my bed, good thoughts on my head. Positive thoughts, removing all the dread. This is the happy morning rap. With no curse words. We're keeping it Will Smith style. We're gonna put this cat on some hydraulics. 5 in the morning and my mama ain't home. That's how you turn anything to a rap video. Bouncing. He's so pretty. Handsome, sorry. So nice to have temporary pets, you know? Absence makes the heart grow fonder. I like his paws so much. They're so cute. Look at your white, cute little paws. I know, I love you too. So cute. For 5 days in a row, at 5 o'clock, basically on the dot, I'm being woken up by dreams, and today I'm being woken up by this cat. But I got this lavender oil on my windowsill.
I brushed you for 15 minutes.
Feldy's getting story time.
Put you in the bathtub. And I washed your paws.
Queen Feldy.
Your poopy. Right?
Want your ice water?
I brushed you for 15 minutes.
Feldy's getting story time.
Put you in the bathtub. And I washed your paws.
Queen Feldy.
Your poopy. Right?
Want your ice water? Yes, I earned the cat's trust. She's coming to play. What are you, cuddling with the sprinkler? Come here. You're so cute. Ooh. Feld. Just smelling. Hello. Hey girl. Look at that beautiful face. I love her so much. Mwah.
Anyway, so this is the part I'm doing on the dental
Look at you.
office, and this is the content.
Look at you, my favorite girl.
And this policy is what's run.
Hi, you. What do I smell like? I smell like eucalyptus from Equinox? you like the smell of eucalyptus? So cute. So cute. Hey, Feld. Hi, pretty Feldy. Hey, Feldy. We love you. You having a good time smelling the air?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Come here.
We could do it now.